Hey, have you ever struggled making your resume match the job description? Like you are qualified, but you still get ghosted. Yeah, I've been there. So I built Resume Genome, a smart AI powered tool that aligns with your resume exactly with the job description you are applying to. Starting here with Resume Radar. Just upload your job description and resume, and it tells you whether your resume match the job description and when it's falling apart. Well, you got no job description? No worries. Just un- uncheck this and upload your resume and click on Analyze, and it will give you a resume health check. Super simple, right? Then we have got Buzzword Booster. This one takes your boring sentence and rephrase them with the impact recruiter style. Adjust the creativity with these sliders. Next up, Pitch Perfect. It crafts your cover letter with just one click. Just upload your resume and JD to the resume radar, and boom, you have got a tailor pitch done in second. And to top it off, we have got interview intel. Paste your job description and get smart role specific interview questions to practice. Whether you are job hunting, revamping your resume, or preparing for your dream role, Resume Genome's got your back. Signing off.